All right, hey, it's Robert Christiansen with Whiteboard Pens. Thank you for joining me. I want to talk to you about using different colors here. There we go. Using different colors to make emphasis, and what colors should you choose when you're doing a creative environment or you're trying to sell something or you're a teacher. Lots of colors tends to get confusing, so you want to draw and use colors sparingly. Black is for almost everything. Almost everything that you're going to do is going to be with black, because black just gets the message across and you're not confusing the person subconsciously with different colors. Blue is for accent. So if you want to put an accent on something, like, look at this, right? Blue is not a bad thing to do because it's positive. It's going to be uplifting. You want to bring attention to it, but it's a good thing. Red is a problem. Red always is a problem. You know, I remember teachers in my school when I was young, they would use red ink to mark things that were wrong. They would never use blue ink to tell you what you did right. It was always to tell you what you did wrong. Okay, so there's that subconscious thing in your head that red is bad. Okay, we don't want to do that. We don't want to bring red to the equation unless we want to bring something out as a problem. And that's where red shows up when we do that, okay, with the red pen. That's why when we sell our Whiteboard Pens, we only provide just a few red things to send a message. Mostly black, some blue, and occasionally red. All right, hope that helps. We'll see you next time. Bye.